They even tell you to take a cart because there are things that you're going to see that you might like and you'll probably never find it again in this place. It's so huge. So they say put it in your cart if you think you're going to like it. And I wanted to show you what I'm liking. Norm says, oh, you got enough bittersweet swung vases already.
This is called Big Dog's Treasures, Lafayette, Minnesota. It's a nursing home, 27 rooms, long hallways, and it is just literally packed with all kinds of treasures. So this is going to take a while to go through. I can tell that already. This shows you the size of this place. It takes up a whole corner of this intersection here. And a lot of 2 long hallways, a lot of rooms, a lot of stuff to look at on a very, very cold January day.
Well, Norm and I just discovered a place we've never been to, could have many years ago, but we just didn't know about it. It's between my sister and us, and she's about an hour and a half drive south of Twin Cities. So this is a nursing home, former building, and so it's got very, very long halls and rooms, I assume. So it's unbelievable. They even tell you to take a cart because there are things that you're going to see that you might like, and you'll probably never find it again in this place. It's so huge. So they say put it in your cart if you think you're going to like it. And I wanted to show you what I'm liking. Norm says, oh, you got enough bittersweet swung vases already. This is $30, but it's so skinny. Look at the clocks on the wall behind. This is really, really, really a skinny, really, really tall, unbelievable. $30, Norm, for this bittersweet vase. Tallest one I've ever seen.
Wow.
I was just doing an introduction. Norm just caught up to me. We just got here. I really think this is pretty.
You mentioned it's a nursing home and 27 rooms?
No, I did not remember, but thank you. 27 rooms.
Yeah,
I don't remember the square footage, but it is on the internet. This is beautiful. California type original. I have no idea what the price is, Norm. You'd have to pick that up. But this is what I want to show you, too. Look at these very funky, fun. Do you think that is, I don't know, feathers? Norm's sister had a bouquet when we first met, and they were married for a few years before us. I'll never forget, in the corner, she had a huge bouquet of feather flowers, and this was in the early 70s.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that fun? How much is that?
$7.50.
Really? Does
Yeah.
it say California on the bottom or nothing? No marks.
No mark.
Well, sometimes it just says USA in the mold.
I don't see anything in there.
No, there's something weird, but can't tell.
Did you mention they have shopping carts here so you can roll around in the
I said
hallways?
that. I went over here and I said, they said take a shopping cart because you might see something like that vase and you might not find it again. I know I'd find this one again. But there's so many rooms, like Norm said, that you'll never find it. Probably. But you won't believe what I was standing next to over there when the owner, very lovely lady, was talking to us. I was standing over there where that blue glass is, way back, and here it was on the bottom, a giant, what looks like Empoli, apothecary with the pointiest top I've ever seen. I saw it on the internet. Start pushing the cart for me, honey.
Yeah.
Might as well while I'm still yakking here. But anyways, it was over here. It was as tall as that bottom shelf is.
Sitting right down there.
Yeah, it was sitting down there. Look at this, guys. Look at, and you know, this is not thrift store prices necessarily. It's not.
Show the hallway behind you.
Yeah, let's look down this hallway here. Look at that.
And then come
Oh
down
my
here.
goodness. Oh my
Now
goodness.
come over here.
Oh, I was like going crazy. I mean,
Just come over here and
when
show
we
the
walked in
hallway
here,
down here.
look
That
at
just gives you
that.
an idea how big this place is. And where does Peggy stop at?
Right
She stops
here.
Right at the foot where this face
I'm
is that you
standing
see
here
on the internet.
talking to her, and here I look down, and there was this apothecary right
As
there.
big as this place is.
And it wasn't marked, and it's so big, and it's got the, hi Norm,
Hi, everybody.
it's so big, and it's
About
got
11
the
degrees below zero out here.
tallest finial on it you've ever seen, and it wasn't marked. And I said, oh, how much is that? She said, $20, okay? So I said, okay, wrap it up.
Did you see these nice candle holders?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, probably. I
set
forget.
of two for $3.
$3 for a set. Wow.
Yeah,
They actually match things like big ashtrays. Oh, people love these moon and stars. They're constant. Norm, $5. Oh my gosh, they're constantly pointing out They're thrifting of Moon and Stars candy dishes.
I like this.
$5,
I like this
Norm.
one. Look at that.
Yes, it's beautiful.
That's 4.
That's beautiful. Unbelievable. I guess these are good prices so far. I did pick up something that I thought was too high for me, but I should stop this video because my video clips get too long and it makes it very difficult editing when you make your video clips ridiculously long. See, now this is $35, but it could be either leaded crystal cut. It feels cut. I don't know. But you know, I'm sure we're going to find some things that are real bargains and some that we just can't afford. They call this cut to clear. There's a lot of reflection on there, but this is a huge bowl. And $10. Can you believe that? I mean, that is a huge bowl. So yeah, that's a steal.
I'm going to take a quick tour of this whole
Oh,
place.
Norm's going to go running through because he's going to go want to look for toys.
I want
right?
Boats, cars.
So call me if you get lost. I know I'm going to get lost.
Yeah.
I hope I'm not turning around too fast here to make you dizzy, but isn't this cute? Looks like the box was covered in contact paper. Norm was pointing out these 2 little lusterware swans, a very cute little pair. I actually had them in with the pink highlighting large size. They're beautiful. I have no idea what the price is. Maybe, gotta get this cart, gotta get my cart out of the way. My cart's not full yet. Yeah, the door opens very easily. It looks like, oh, $10 for a set of 3. The vase, oops, sorry about my finger being in the way there. See, there's no price. Oh, no wonder. Look at the side. So that's what that would look like. I can't move that. There's glass right here. Isn't that pretty? Oh, $10 for the set of 3, and they have flowers on them. Oh my goodness, that's a deal. See? Now, that is a deal. I love it. Can you believe this set? I wonder if they're pricing the whole set. It's absolutely adorable. Well, that looks like it says $50 over there on that.
This chair's 15.
The love seat. I can't talk, right? Oh, look, Norm. See, if you had that entire set out on a porch, can you picture that? The room divider.
Yeah.
There is an end table, a love seat. It needs a floral, another end table, a coffee table.
Desk.
And what is that, a tray, Norm? Do you think that's a tray, a serving tray? I bet it is. But look at this desk.
Yeah.
You guys, oh, look at the desk. It's in, no, $20 for a desk? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, my goodness. And how much is that chair? The tag's hanging on the chair. $5 for the chair.
Wow.
They really look like just a little light touch up here and there, but that is beautiful. And this chair over here doesn't really go with the set, but you could use it. It might.
It's woven close
Why
enough.
does it look off-white? A little off-white to me, but can you imagine
well,
a
it could be
desk
the-
for $20? Oh, that's incredible. Really nice, but I want to show you something I was going nuts over. I suppose I'm going to get a problem with this bright light in the window here. I am crazy for this clock. This is absolutely
Pick it up and turn it around
fantastic.
over here.
Yeah, but there was no price tag anywhere.
Let me
There was
put it
no
over here.
there was no price tag anywhere.
The light lights it up.
See, it doesn't have a plastic cover or glass, but a lot of clocks don't. Maybe it didn't come with one. But what's so interesting, okay, it's made in USA, and it's got a second-hand numbers all the way around, but I don't see a second hand. But that is funny, isn't it? I mean, you could put a new piece in there, maybe, in the back. But isn't that the sweetest wrought iron? The whole thing would have to be taken apart and spray painted,
Battery operated.
you know, to make it really, really pretty. But I'll just show it and remember how sweet it is. But I don't think I'd want to dust it. You know, I mean, it would take a brush, you know, vacuum and a brush. That's how you would dust something like that. But that's fabulous, just fabulous.
Oh.
I'll bet she's going to ask $20 for it. That's what I think. But can you picture it with this set over here?
Yeah.
Look at the reverse glass painted pictures. Wow. That's pretty cute. In a turquoise bedroom like I got. Yeah. That's pretty cute. A lot of glare there on the black one, but. Here's some amber glass pieces here. This is really sweet, but I don't have room for any more. $20 for the pair. I wonder why it says carnival glass on the creamer and sugar. That doesn't look like carnival glass to me. It's the Fenton rose, what do you call that? Rose pattern, I forget. But anyways, I like these. These are more my favorite type of pressed glass. I like the simpler design and I like the shape of them. Really neat. Does that say one? I don't know what that price was. Looks like $1. I have 2 pairs of these doves, but mine are kind of elaborate glazes on them. Oh, look at these. Those are cute. Retro goose glasses. Very fun. What's over here? Oh, that's a very nice plastic tray. I've always been attracted to plastic when it's got a very nice molded design. I see a candy dish that I think is very sweet. $20 though? Wow. I think. No, it says set. Why does it say set? Of 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. $3 for this. Oh my gosh, I'm taking that. Norm's going to think I'm totally nuts. But I wonder why that says set of 3. Huh. Strange. Okay, you see? This was kind of buried. I'm going to take this really great top off. I'm sure it's a hobbyist piece. Kind of a pinky red. Really nutty glaze. I'm going to put my phone down and examine it better, but you see the top? Oh my goodness. That's what I'm hoping I could find here is crazy hobbyist pieces like that. My fave, you know. Well, this would have been fun, but examining it much closer, I realize there is a chip there that's repaired with a little paint. And I didn't see that the tip is chipped up there. This is actually kind of dirty on the sides there. That's why it looks so funky. It is a very fun shape. And I would have liked it if it was in good condition, but that's why it's only $3. Well, I just reached up here in this cupboard and pulled down a piece of milk glass that I thought was pretty cool. I have never seen it before. It's to my left over here. And I thought it was going to be about $20. Just guessing. Have you ever seen this before? I think this is pretty cool. What do you think they're charging? I've got to turn it around here. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to take it. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's very heavy. really heavy piece that hurt my elbow pulling it down. Just look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. Whoa, Norm will like it too. Here's a very cute little old mirror, very chippy. What do you call that when it loses the mercury? It's cute, but I just wanted to show you. That's pretty high priced. But I stopped buying them years ago. Isn't this a fun piece? I think I'm filming upside down. Nope, I don't know why it looks upside down. But anyways, this is very fun. Really neat colors, I think. Just thought I'd show you that. $10. I think that's a pretty neat tray. I think it's a tray, or just considered a wall hanging. I hope it focuses for you. $7.50. Pretty elaborate, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Looks like Napoleon. Now I can honestly say I have never seen what is a bar stool. Kind of looks like a kitchen dinette stool. And pretty tough shape, but, well, maybe not. Yeah, the back of the stool is missing. That's where all those screw holes are. But look at the shape of this. Isn't that fun? That's a very fun shape. The chrome looks pretty good. I'm just curious what the price is here. $5. That's a deal if you can fix things up. This is pretty sweet for $5. This is really nice. If you can see my hand, you can see the size of it. Italian. Yeah. Anyways, that's pretty. Amethyst glass, $7.50. Norm pointed out this wreath. I didn't even see it. I love stuff like that. That's huge. Too big for me to store. I bet it's really a good deal. That's nice. There's a lot of clear glass in this cabinet here. But I wanted to show you this up here. It's kind of interesting. That's really neat. I wonder what that is. Is that a huge lid, Norm?
It's got a label on it. Let me take it down.
I want to show you this too. This is really big. I don't know if this would be a punch bowl or what. It's really big. Oh, leaded crystal label usually.
Shannon.
Isn't that fancy?
$20.
$20. Yeah, that's cheap.
Can't quite read it. It's Shannon.
Let me zoom in on that with the camera. Shannon crystal. Made in China. Certified crystal. Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is actually goes with it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I have to show these really sweet tumblers. Aren't they cute? Oh, those are so cute. I don't know what that plain glass is in the middle there, but the tumblers are just darling. Everybody likes to see these sweet, cruel pictures. A lot of people are thrifting them, of course, for little to nothing. I have no idea whether there's a price on this or not, but just look at Norm. Those are Chinese lanterns up there. And look at the cattails. That's really fun. That's pretty cool. Just thought I'd share that with you. Oh, you recognize these dolphin-shaped little tiny candle holders. Those are not my style, but well, I can't resist this miniature toothpick holder in what looks like the daisy and button pattern, but look at the shape on that being footed. It's $4, which is maybe a going rate. It was down here with some more fun glass pieces. That's a nice retro planter down there. Footed. Very nice. I like those two green ones too. This is a really nice, maybe that's something that's Italian pottery too. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's California or not, but it's $5 for probably for your dresser. Isn't that beautiful? It doesn't, well, there's chipping on them, but they're still pretty. Norm just pointed this out. Isn't that cute? String art. They call that string art. Is that 60s? Probably. Maybe 70s. I bet 70s. Remember? Did you ever do one, or did we just buy one? I know we had one, and I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, we
but
bought one once, but...
Oh, I bet it was a ship or something, or sailboat.
I think it was a sailboat, yeah.
Yeah. Boy, that was a long time ago. But that's really cute. Oh, so sweet. Here's some fun holly canisters and tumblers or milk glasses. Not sure. A couple wine glasses. Those are nice. I like this guy, but I do have him. And I do have her, I think. Or I used to anyways. I do have a couple of misses. But I'll show you something I really do like. This. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. I do have this canister. I was fooled because when I glanced back there, I thought it was footed, which would have been pretty interesting. Oh, and I do have this one. I found that at the thrift store, and I love it. And I have this candy dish. Just showed it in my last video. Wouldn't it be nice if the Goodwill looked like this all the time? Boy, there might be a line at the door. That's pretty cute. For Grandpa's pride and joy. Oh, sweet. This is a very interesting shaped cruet. Kind of cute. I like that. And that's a fancy bottle, but no top on it. This looks like an old kitchen area. Simply because there's a microwave over there. I don't know, cupboards. So it may have been a kitchen area. There's a tidbit tray down there. But you can see there's lots and lots of kitchen stuff. A little bit of Pyrex here and there. Norm said he was in here looking. Now those are fun, those old teapots, when they are shaped like birds and cats. I think they're 80s. Apple stuff galore. Oh, that's a nice tray. Nice tray. I like those. Is this a thermometer? You gotta be kidding me. Isn't that cute? That is a real thermometer, I assume. Since it says, doesn't look like it's working very well. Oh. Towel hanger. Oh. Oh. See, you gotta turn lights on, and we should remember to turn the lights off. Okay, these are cute. You know how much I love. What are they? just for hanging up. Cute. That's very, I should take one. I'm probably not on it. I should take one for, I want, Norm, I'm going to take one of these for 4th of July decor to put on my refrigerator. There's 3 of them, but that would be very cute for 4th of July. But I don't see like the too many real old hot pads here. That's a fun one, but I'm probably not getting everything real great in the video here. Now, see, this is really cute. Oh, that's in, it's round. It's probably a toaster cover.
Pottery?
What?
USA?
Yeah. I got a beautiful one you gave me. This is kind of pinky looking, but it's very nice condition for only $1. That's a good deal. Nice luggage, a very cute coffee pot. I think I'm going to get this because it has some blue on it. It's $3. That's kind of cute. And one over here behind me. This one is an olive green metal. It's very sweet fall. Love it for $1. And I hope everything's 25% off, like Norm said. Just $2 for this canister. But I already have 2 of them. Look at this funny tile. Probably a trivet. Could be like 80s, 90s even. Crazy cat, huh? There's a couple of really cute 80s geese trays. Funny. I like the one with the polka dot edge. That's very cute. Look at these 2 guys. Aren't they fun? Uh-huh. Are they elves? I bet. I'm going to have to put my phone down. I got stuff in my arm. Oh, and I don't know what these guys are. Teardrops, onions, who knows? Sorry if I'm talking too quietly. No price on the elves. They have corks in the bottom and stamped Japan, or just Japan sticker maybe. Really cute. Wow, here's a fancy little clock in the box. $25. Sorry I'm being quiet again. This is very nice. $2. Very fun. Oh no. This is the Christmas room. Oh no. It's dark in here. I'm sorry. Really dark in here, but look at this. Oh my goodness. How much are these? $5 for 3. Could be. I think. Oh my goodness. That's George's Briard? That's not Holt Howard, is it? I don't know. But I know they're very popular. That is very sweet. Somebody did all that work on a plastic canvas nativity set. Really cute. That's darling. Boy, I'm sure there's a lot of stuff in here. I wish I could find like that. Ooh, 6 snowflakes. I have a hard time finding these snowflakes. Let me check the one underneath. Well, unfortunately, we got here a little late for such a big store. Norm is starving, and I am so thirsty. He is really cute. Oh, that's broken. Oh, I like the glass one in back. Oh, wow. The green one's broken. Look at these ceramic trays. My favorite. Oh, I just look at that skinny one. Oh, that's so cool. I gotta look at that. Wow, this is glass.
Here?
Yeah, in the Christmas room. This is glass, and it's $3 for glass. This little ceramic one is 75 cents. Could you pick that up, Norm?
This one?
Yeah. I was debating on that glass one, please.
Yeah.
Very heavy glass, very nice. This is an Avon tree. It's dated on the bottom and stamped Avon 1982. Where did you say, Norm? You're going? Oh, there's no price. I think I should take it anyways, honey. I'm sure she won't mark it for very much, even though it's not marked. That's fun. Yeah, this is a very fun room. Oh, look at these, Norm, what somebody did. What in the world? Look at these Santas with bulbs in the top. What is that? Would you look at what those are? They're just, I wouldn't get them, but they're just really cute looking. Never seen them before. Look at all the ornaments. And snowman over here. Oopsie. Almost dropped my phone. I've got things in my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh, Norm. Oh, look at the snowman in back. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, it looks like a hobbyist piece with the orange scarf.
Yeah.
Oh, this is unreal. A green striped candy cane, confetti mittens, an orange scarf, and a blue hat. $2. He's a great big piece. Ceramic.
Got it?
Yes. Oh my goodness. That's absolutely fantastic. Old. Be still my heart. Well, here's a very neat, there's gold in it. Vase, $30. That's a neat shape. Isn't this pretty for $10? Hand-painted pheasant. What a beautiful milk glass plate. Well, you can tell this is the lamp room. Oh, I love those big glass covers that you put on ceiling lights. I wish we had ceiling lights. I've always felt bad we don't, because that would be fabulous to be able to cover them up with those really neat, beautiful glass, frosted glass covers. So fun. So this is the lamp room. $5 for a mid-century modern tiered tray that is stainless, probably. Oh, funny. This is a fruit I had at home that I had found at a thrift store. It's only $1. Looks like maybe for all of it. I don't know. But I had Norm spray paint it gold. This is a fun room. Lots and lots of glassware. Oh, that's a pretty candy dish back there. There's lots of furniture in here, dining room type furniture, but look at all this glassware. Is that Anchor Hocking stuff? I don't know. This is pretty funny, isn't it? Very country. And I like that gold phone. $5. That's a good deal. Yep. These are really pretty chalkware, I assume. Beautiful. Really, really nice in a bedroom. Wow. And I got those owls. Oh, it's just cute. Like Cupid. Darling horse and colt. What do you call the? I can't think. I don't know much about horses. I just collect them. The baby foal. Is that what you call them? Painted pony, it looks like. So sweet. Some fun deer, squirrels. Probably a lot of knickknacks in here. Oh, I love places like this, don't you? I'm not finding too many hobbyist piece things, though. But that snowman, that was adorable. I like these. I have them in my bedroom. The little plate in the wire frame is so fun. Look at these neat pottery pieces for your dining room table. Chartreuse and darker green, very pretty. This is quite a shelf, isn't it? That's really something, all that scroll work. If you have a patriotic room, that's very sweet. I like it. Oh, nice Afghan. Pretty. Adorable little record player for kids. Nice set of wine goblets. I like those, and this $10 is a deal. Very beautiful California leaf tidbit tray. Love it. Wow, look at this. Not displayed very well. That's very sweet. It looks like it could be sterling. I don't know. It's kind of tarnished. $5. That would be some big display on your table, wouldn't it? I didn't look this up until I got home. Prices were all over the place, from 30 something to over $100. Looks like it's from 1984, and it is silver plate. And they all said by Gottinger, and is that German? Well, here's a couple of hobbyist splatter pieces. That egg is very cute. Norm's yelling at me. I gotta go get him. Find him. I really have to have this. This is a needlepoint that is so 70s looking to me. Is there a price on it? Norm told me, did you hear the lady say that everything is 25% off?
No.
And there's no price on this? Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Some little teeny piece of paper.
Like that, actually.
Yeah, wouldn't that be fun? Yes, absolutely. I have to have that. Those are my colors that I go nuts over.
You really gotta have it.
I have to have that. I'll never see it again in my life.